Hi, it's Dan with EUJUICERS.COM, coming to you as always from our offices here in the heart of Europe. And in this video, we're going to show you how to use your celery pulp. We know a lot of you are juicing celery these days, but to use that pulp to make a face mask. And to show us how to do it, I've brought Krista. This is my wife. You might have seen her in some previous videos. She's also an herbalist. And Krista, why would I want to put pulp on my face? What's the benefit of that?
Well, when we increase the surface area of the plant material, that enables the medicinal or active constituents to be more readily absorbed into our skin. So by juicing and then having this pulp, we're really increasing the surface area, and as we place it on our skin, the skin absorbs all of those constituents.
Is that something like, a couple of years ago, we teach at an English camp every summer, and she got stung by a wasp or something, and she went out, she grabbed some, what was it?
Plantain.
Plantain. Mm-hmm. She put it in her mouth. I was like, what's she doing? Chewed it all up, made some kind of paste out of it, and then put that on her sting. And that helped, right?
Yeah, because again, you're increasing the surface area, you're macerating it and exposing all of the pulp inside, which releases those active constituents into the skin.
So I guess when you're juicing celery, you're putting all the celery, the goodness of the celery in your body, but there's still other stuff you can put on your skin directly then. Mm-hmm. And what are the benefits then? I know celery's really hydrating. It's got that sodium, potassium, but what else is it good for?
Well, it's antioxidant, it has beta-carotene, flavonoids, and other antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory, it's cooling and soothing to irritated or red and puffy skin. And it has a melanin inhibitor, which brightens the skin naturally.
I guess that anti-inflammatory means that does it smooth out the face a little bit and things like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what we're going to do, Krista's going to take it from here. She'll juice this celery, she'll mix it, show you what's in it. I'll come back at the end and see how you look with a celery face mask on.
It looks awesome.
Cool. I'm looking forward to it. So good luck. See you soon.
See you. So now I'm going to juice the celery. So we'll start right now. So now we have our juice and our pulp, and we're going to make the face mask. So I'll put the pulp into this bowl, and this is where we'll make our face mask. I'll begin adding the other ingredients. The first ingredient that we're going to add is yogurt. Yogurt is rich with lactic acid, which helps to remove dead skin cells, thus smoothing the skin and helping to smooth out wrinkles. It's also really hydrating. So we'll go ahead and put some yogurt in, about half a tablespoon. Okay, so we have our yogurt in, and then we're going to add some honey. Honey has a lot of healing benefits for the skin. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial, antimicrobial. It's humectant, meaning it retains moisture, and it also opens up clogged pores. So we'll put in a tablespoon of honey. As you're making your face mask, you'll notice that sometimes it will be wetter or drier than you would like it, so you can add or subtract ingredients as you see fit. You can also run it through the juicer again if you find that it's too wet. We had to do that yesterday when we were practicing. So I'm going to test it now to see how moist it is. It feels pretty moist. I'm just going to try it on my skin and see. I think it's a bit too moist, so I think I will run it again through the juicer. All right, I'm gonna see what this looks like. We'll put it back in the bowl. See the texture of it? Yeah, this looks a lot better. I think this will be right for us. So I'm going to spread it out into mats like this. All right, that seems like a really good consistency for the face mask. Now you've noticed here that I've lost a little bit of yogurt in the second juicing process, so I'm going to add a little bit more and then I'll put it on my face. So here we are. We have our face masks on. We look amazing.
I feel like Shrek.
You look like Shrek.
Thanks.
So you should leave these face masks on for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Looks like you're doing it sooner.
Sorry. No, okay, so one of the things with face masks is that part of the healing process for your face is not just the mask itself, but time to yourself. Take 20 minutes to lay down. This is much better if you're laying down.
I think it would stick a lot better if you're laying back.
Take 20 minutes to lay down and relax and enjoy some quiet time.
So this is celery, yogurt, and honey. Does that mean I can eat it when I'm done with it?
Well, one thing, synergistically, is the idea for applying these active constituents topically on your skin, but also internally. So the best way to do that is to enjoy your celery juice too.
That makes sense. Yeah, cheers, I guess. So I hope you liked this video. If you're interested in more of these, I hope you liked it more than I did. Krista, can you come back and show us other masks and things you could make for skincare?
I'd love to. I'd really like to work on some recipes for other types of skin, anti-aging, problem skin, blemishes, acne, dry skin, sensitive skin.
And celery pulp's not the only thing you can use. You can use carrot pulp, pineapple if you're really careful. It's pretty sensitive or strong, isn't it?
I would do a spot test with pineapple before you apply it to your face.
You can add a little lemon to your pulp. That's going to be exfoliating. Papaya is really great. There's a lot of things out there. I've written an article about this. I'll put a link below. So I think that'll wrap it up. And I guess I have 10 more minutes with this thing on.
Yeah, I think I'm going to go find a place to lay down.
All right. So I'm Dan with the EUJUICERS. This is Krista. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.